To manage your quotes, go to Sales, Quotes, and View Quotes. This will show you all the quotes that have been processed in Unleashed. You have a number of filtering options, such as by status, number, customer, warehouse, etc. The expiry date on our quotes will turn red when they're overdue, to make it easier to spot the ones needing urgent attention. Let's apply some filters to locate the quote we want to action. We recommend setting up some custom grid layouts to further tailor your searches. To do this, click Show Toolbar and use the hidden columns to customize your layout. If you want to use this one in the future, save it and then use it as your default or make it shareable to others in your team. I've now found my quote, and I can either open the quote by clicking on the quote number, or I can make some quick actions using the action cog to move it on to its next stage. Click Edit on the action cog and this will also open our quote. If, for whatever reason, the customer has declined the quote, using this drop-down we can cancel it. But in this instance, our customer is happy, so we'll click Accept Quote. This locks the quote down because it's our signed-off commitment from the customer. We can also convert the quote into a sales order for processing here. Do note that at the quote stage, we do not change any stock on hand figures or availability, as it's designed to give your customer a list of products and prices for quoting purposes. Additionally, nothing is sent to your accounting software package on the creation or completion of sales quotes, because again, there is no movement of stock.